if you think you've put together this resource library, and you will have built up over time lots of different resource libraries, and they'll all have different themes, and they'll have different elements of those themes which will work on their own, which will work together with others. You'll start to recognize basically how to get that sympathetic link between styles. And you'll know, and I will have mentioned this, you'll know that in your gut whether something feels comfortable visually. And it's very much about then taking those ideas, and remember, they sit pretty much on the back burner. They are pretty much purely referenced. There's something that when you've had the brief from the client, what I tend to do with my clients is I will set them up with a client folder, normally using something like Dropbox. And then within that folder, I'll speak to the client and I'll say, okay, so here's the brief. What I'd like you to do is slowly but surely go through as many ideas as you possibly can of things that will come together to achieve that design that you're after. The things that you like, the things that you don't like. Give me some backstory, give me some plot on your character, or the type of costume that you're wanting for me to put together. Because I've then got an approximation of the kind of thing that they're looking to achieve in the long run. And then I can start thinking about how my resource library could work in terms of different styles that might work for that particular design. It's all sparking off ideas that I can then take from that resource library, and I can say to the client, well, look, do you like this sort of shaping? Do you like these lines? How do you feel about this particular style? Is it the kind of thing, are we going along the right lines? And the point that you should be at by the time you get to the second stage, so the practical considerations, is having really narrowed down exactly what it is the client's looking for in terms of a finished look.